A quadratic equation has two solutions. If the product of two numbers is 0, either A equals 0 or B equals 0. X plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 0, either when x equals -3 or x equals -2. If the quadratic is written in expanded form, you should try factorizing. For example, the quadratic equation x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0 can be factorized x plus 4 times x plus 3. You can think of the terms in your quadratic equation as areas. X squared is the area of a square, x by x. 7x is the area of 7 rectangles, 1 by x. 12 is the area of 12 squares, 1 by 1. Notice that we arrange them to fit into a perfect rectangle. This rectangle has base x plus 4 and height x plus 3. To solve it, solve each bracket equals 0. X plus 4 is 0 when x equals -4. X plus 3 is 0 when x equals -3. These two solutions coincide with the places where our quadratic crosses the horizontal axis. Yes, that is true. Quadratic functions are represented by a parabola, and you can find plenty of interesting applications in our course, Master Quadratics Step by Step.